Umehluleli kuleli cala uthi uMike Sandlana kungenzeka eqe kuleli ngenxa yoxhaxha lwamacala abhekene nawo uma ededelwa ngebheyili.
I do not find that the applicant managed to discharge the onus solely placed on him to show this court on a balance of probabilities that the interest of justice permits his release. And secondly, I further find that if released, based on what I found, he is likely to pose as a flight risk, and references here in made to the ID documents evidence that escalates such a likelihood, and also towards evasion of trial. I dismiss the application of the applicant herein to be released on bail.
Uphiko lwamaHawks luthi lusithokozele isinqumo senkantolo kanti kungenzeka kuboshwe abanye kuleli cala.
Following this successful bail opposition, the NPA as well as the DPCI is very much pleased, as we have had the effect that we since the arrest, we had preempted that there would be problems, and those problems were mitigated by the investigating officer with duly making sure that the bail application is successful in being opposed.
uSandlana usola ngokufumbathisa ijaji lasenkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli uPortia Phahlane ngemali elinganiselwa ku2 million wamarandi ukuze isinqumo ecaleni lombango wobuholi obusha bebandla sivune yena. Umbango waqubuka emva kokushona komholi waleli bandla uClayton Modise ngonyaka u2016. Ukuqulwa kwaleli cala kuzoqala ngoNdasa wonyaka ozayo.